Hi and welcome. Today let's talk about how to care for implants, bridges, crowns and prosthesis, that is artificial dentures in your mouth. The fact that you have one means that you've already lost a tooth, so you could have either experienced tooth decay or gum disease. So you definitely need to take better care of your teeth than an average person. Your tooth replacements, like dentures or implants, crowns, and bridges, they serve the purpose, but they can't help you chew as well as your natural tooth. Also, they tend to be slightly bulkier in size and form, and often this can hamper proper cleaning around the tooth, the implant, or the denture, and this can lead to gum disease and inflammation and a repeat of the whole cycle with regard to the replacement. So you need to make sure you care for your implant, crown or bridge even better than you care for your natural tooth. So how do you do this? Toothbrushing, of course, is a must, and you can go through it in the previous video. Besides this, what would really help you to clean under the bridges and implants and crowns and around them is an interdental brush or a water flosser, because this will flush out all the debris surrounding that, and you can't really use a floss, especially when the spaces are blocked. However, on either side of a bridge or an implant, you can definitely use floss. So even once you get your implant or bridge seated in your mouth, make sure that you're able to clean properly, and if this is not possible, request your dentist to adjust your implant or crown so you are able to do so properly. In addition to this, you must know that once you've invested so much, you need to get it routinely serviced. Just as you would get a car serviced from time to time, you need regular cleanups at your dental clinic as well. So go for it. If you have dentures, that is the plastic removable type, you need to make sure that you take them out every night. It is unsightly, but take them out nightly, because if you don't, you will end up having excess pressure on your gums for 24 hours in a day, and this will lead to soreness of your gums. So take it out, keep it in a bowl of water, and make sure that you clean it with soap and water before you put it back in the morning. So these tips should help you out maintaining your prosthesis, your crowns and bridges. Good luck.